Hey guys, it's Bella. Let's do classified. This is kind of like a 90s look. Step 1, blur stick. I have to like chill. Put this on your forehead, around your nose, on the chin, just to blur imperfections. So smooth. Bye-bye imperfections. It's silicone free and it glides on without tugging. Step 2, flex concealer in light. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put it wherever I feel like I need it. Dab, bye-bye spots. Dab. Now that I've applied it, I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. Super chill. Step 3, eyeliner in BCC. Boom. This is the perfect nude liner. Just gonna apply it from here to here. I love nudes. Step 4, eyeliner in CEO. Bossy. These eyeliners are waterproof and smudge proof. Perfect for the waterline. So nice. Step 5, lip color in Wavy and Low Key. Wavy. I'm just gonna put Wavy all over my lips. These are so creamy. Something's missing. Time for Low Key. Let's get it. Ooh, creamy. Step 6, Kush Mascara. Oh, hi volume. This is filled with hemp-derived cannabis oil. Fucking beautiful. Like they flutter. Step 7, Kush Brow in Haze. Kush. Vegan, fluffy, amazing brows. Step 8, holographic face gloss. Ooh, hello, hollow. I'm just gonna put it on my cheek and drag it upward over my eye. Whoa. Like a space angel. I literally feel like in a space movie. And that's it. You've just been classified.